at the scale of this shaft. They weren't just hiding drones here. They were hiding an entire Air Force.
They left them. 5 F-35s just sitting here. The cockpit seals are still intact. This is a graveyard of billions.
A B-2? Why would an American bomber be hidden in an Israeli base? This is deeper than we thought.
Are mild. The F-22, the pinnacle of air superiority.
Look at the flag on the tail.
It's been modified in the avionics.
They were controlling the entire region from this room.
Look at the screen.
The last flight path is still visible.
Copy that.
Bypass the server.
These are high-yield penetrators designed to take out underground bunkers. The flag on the casing means
They left in the middle of a mission. Look at the coffee cups and the maps. This was a high-stakes meeting.
Their uniforms are still here, like they just into thin air.
They were building autonomous AI drones here. The tech is decades ahead of what we know. Look at the flag on the chip.
Leo! Attack's possible!
Get out some staple! Lockdown initiated. The hangar doors are sealing. I have to make it to the elevator.
Run, Leo! Don't let those shutters catch you! The F-35s are powering up!
The base AI is trying to launch the jets. It's a scorched earth protocol. I'm almost at the lift.
The lift is moving! Jump for the ladder!
I've got the ledge. Sarah, get the buggy ready. The whole base is about to seal.
I'm at the surface! The hatch is opening! Go, go, go!
Some secrets are meant to stay buried. Zion's shield is offline. For now.
For it, Leo. We have company.